Hey everyone, welcome back. Honestly, I've been watching a lot of recaps, and the script you guys have been putting out are reused a lot. And they're not great, especially for monetization. But I do understand that spending hours to create scripts is exhausting. So to fix this, I bring you this. Now, I've been working with some people, although I do not own this tool, but it has a lot of my inputs, and that inputs will help you guys a lot. So basically, this site lets you create recap scripts that actually understands the flow of a story. It takes about 5 minutes to get a 1500 word script done that actually sounds like a human wrote it, and you can do it all from your phone or your desktop. I'll make a dedicated phone tutorial later. For now, it's just desktop or laptop. Head over to the site and just sign in with Google. It's instant. They give you 15 mana points for free to start. Here's the math. One panel costs 1 mana point. You can upload up to 15 panels per chapter. I'll explain what a panel is in a bit. For now, once you're in, hit create new project. Pick your content type. I usually go with review and commentary, and pick your media type so it knows the reading direction, be it manga or a manhwa. Give it a title and a synopsis. Finally, pick your tone. I personally like the witty setting the best. From what I've been told, unlike the basic models, this was trained specially to add commentary and humor. It makes the script actually worth watching for your audience. Also, by the way, you cannot make recaps on popular titles like One Piece, Solo Leveling. These type of manhwas will not work. Now that your project is set up, you need your panels. Go grab the panels downloader extension from Chrome. It has two main functions, a straight downloader and a screenshot tool. I'm going to make a specific YouTube short on the screenshot side, since that allows you to take screenshot automatically too. But for now, we just need the downloader. Go to the site where you're going to take the manhwa or manga from. Click the panel downloader. Here you can name your folder, whatever the chapter is, like Demon God Chapter 1, and it will save everything right there and in order. We need the panels in order to make a consistent story. Now, it might grab some extra side icons or junk you don't need, so just quickly delete the extra stuff in the folder and keep your panels only. Now back to the site, you can upload max 15 panels. Then there's a reorder page. It is for double checking if the order is correct, but if you're using panel downloader, you don't need to pay any attention to it. But still, check first and last panel matches your order. Hit begin and just relax. While it's processing, it takes about 5 minutes or 7 minutes, depending on the manhwa or the manga. Let's talk about the brain. The site is about 95% solid in terms of accuracy, so when the script is generated, do double check a bit of stuff here and there. Check for any missing small detail, although there are chances everything is correctly described, but it's still a good idea to actually review it before putting the text into audio generation. And I also want to talk about the most important thing. It has long-term memory. So for example, if you're at chapter 50, the AI still remembers what happened in chapter 1. This connects the dots and keeps your character names and plot points consistent the whole way through. Now that a script is done, you can edit it in the dashboard or export it as a PDF or a text file. In the future, I'm told that there will be an audio generation step too, so you can check that out when it's released. Now let's talk about the pricing side. If you go to Fiverr or Upwork to hire a script writer, you're looking at least $5 per chapter for a basic script. That's $50 for 10 chapters, and that adds up fast. With Recap Manga, the A-class created here is normally $25, but it's $20 a month right now. If you use the code WELCOME10 at checkout, you lock in that price. That gives you 900 mana, which is about 60 chapters. Think about it, 60 chapters on Fiverr would cost you $300. On Recap Manga, it's $20. You're saving nearly $280 a month and getting the scripts in minutes, not days. There's also a C class for $12 if you're just starting out, and an S class for $49 if you're already monetized. Then this is for you, since you get 150 chapters, that's like 15 hours of video time. Then there's also the portions. These are one-time purchases in case you run out of your monthly mana. That's about it. I hope you like this site, and if there's any problem, you can message them at this email. And if you watched this far, send them an email with mention of Manhwa Tales subscriber. You will get extra 100 mana points for free. One time only. Lastly, in a couple of days, I'll upload the mobile version tutorial. So stick around, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.